Hello students, this is Rekha. Today we will do state level SSLC Preparatory Examination 2 2026. This is the maths paper, 80 marks paper. Let's start. Now 3 marks questions. Already up to 24th question completed. You follow the playlist, you will get every answer. See here, 25th question. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. This polynomial given, first we will find the zeros and verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Okay, this zeros coefficient relationship we will verify. So here two things we will find. First we will zeros we will find. Next we will find the coefficient. Okay, see here what is the equation is there. See here x square plus 6x plus 8. Okay, using factorization method, first we will find the zeros. See here, first what to do, this 2 multiply. Multiply means what you will get 8x square. This one distribute, how you will distribute 4x 2x. Okay, now see here, 4 to the 8 x into x square. 4x 2x 6x. It is adjusted. Right here, first number write as it is, last number write as it is. Middle you write 4x 2x. Okay, now carefully listen. Here in this 2 what is the common? X common. What is remain? X plus 4 remain. Okay, next in this 2 what is the common? 2 common. What is remain? X plus 4. Okay, x plus 4 2 times it is a common, you write one time. X plus 4 into x plus 2, it is equal to 0. Here also equal to 0, right? Here also equal to 0. Here also equal to 0. Now we will take a subtract. See here, x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? Minus 4. Next see here, x plus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to what? Minus 2. So these zeros means nothing but x value. So 1 0 we will take alpha. Next one we will take beta. Okay, now zeros finding is finished. Okay, next is asking what a coefficient also. Okay, next we will find coefficient. Okay, see a coefficient. See a coefficient means first write the equation. What is the equation is there? X square plus 6x plus 8. Okay, this is which form is there? Ax square plus bx plus c form, quadratic equation form, ax square plus bx plus c. A means what? A means 1. B means what? B means 6. Next c means what? 8. Okay, now we will verify relationship between zeros and coefficient. Okay, first we will take sum of the zeros, next we will take product of the zeros. Now see here, sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros means this is zeros sum. So alpha plus beta. Sum of the zeros is equal to what is the formula? Minus b by a. Okay, sum of the zero. Alpha means minus 4, beta means minus 2. It is equal to minus b by a. B means what? Minus, in the question minus, b means 6 by a means 1. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 2, it is minus 6 equal to minus 6. Sum of the zeros is finished. Next we will do product of zeros. Now see here, product of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros means this zeros product. Product means alpha, beta. Product of zeros, what is the formula? C by A. Now see here, alpha, beta. Alpha into beta. Alpha means minus 4 into minus 2 is equal to C means what? 8. By A means what? 1. Okay. Minus into minus plus 4 to the 8. 8 equal to 8. Sum of the zeros verification, product of the zeros verification is finished. 26th question, find the ratio. So first we will find the ratio. Find the ratio in which line segment joining the point A 1 minus 5 coordinates and B coordinates minus 4 5 is divided by on x-axis. This line segment divided by on x-axis. Also find the coordinates of the division. Here two things we will find. Coordinates of the point of the division. Two answers we will find. Ratio also we will find. Coordinates of the point of the division we will find. So what is the meaning of this question? Now carefully listen. This is the x-axis. Okay, x dash means this is the x-axis. Okay, on this x-axis, one line segment, on the x-axis, line segment joining, this is a line segment joining a coordinates 1 minus 5, b coordinates minus 4, 5. So here we will find, see here, this line is joining on x-axis. On the x-axis means what are the coordinates? First of all, you try to understand on the x-axis coordinates what? X 0. So on the x-axis, first is the number, next is the 0. On the y-axis, what are the coordinates? 0, y. On the x-axis, what are the coordinates? X 0. On the y-axis, what are the coordinates? 0, y. Keep in your mind, okay? So this line segment joining by on x-axis. X-axis means here what are the coordinates? X 0 is there. This concept you keep in your mind, okay? Now see here. Now I am taking line. What is line segment? A coordinates 1 minus 5, b coordinates minus 4, 5. So this line segment joining on x-axis. Here what are the coordinates is there? X 0 is there. That concept we will write here. Which are the coordinates? X 0 are the coordinates. So now we will find the ratio. Ratio don't know means what we will write? Let the ratio be k is to 1. You keep in your mind. Let the ratio be k is to 1. Okay, this coordinates finding we will use this formula. Okay, see x 0. X 0 is equal to, what is the formula is there? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2. Next, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, keep in your mind this formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now right here, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Okay, now see here, ratio means what? m1 is to m2 is the ratio. Okay, now we will apply the values. See here, x 0, m1 means k into x2 means minus 4, k into minus 4 plus m2 means 1, x1 means 1 by m1 plus m2 means k plus 1. Next, m1 means k into y2 5 plus m2 means 1, y1 means minus 5 divided by m1 plus m2 means k plus 1. Okay, now any simplification chances there we will see. X 0 is equal to k into minus 4 minus 4k plus 1 ones are 1 by k plus 1. Here see, this is the 5k minus 5 by k plus 1. Okay, now here simplification no chance. Now what we will do? See here, this one equal to this one. Next, this one equal to this one. First this one taking means here you will get two variables. Solution is no chance. So 0 equal to this one we will take. Now see here, 5k minus 5 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now see here, 5k minus 5 is equal to 0 into k plus 1. 0 into k plus 1. So what you will get? Now see here, 5k minus 5 is equal to 0 into any number, it is 0 only. Now see here, 5k send that side, it is equal to 5. K is equal to 5 by 5. Okay, now cancel, what you will get? 1. So down nothing means here which number? 1. K by 1. K by 1 is equal to 1 by 1. So what is the ratio? What is ratio is there? K is to 1. K is to 1 equal to which ratio is there? 1 is to 1 ratio 1. Now ratio is 1 is to 1. Now we will find x value. Now see x equal to this equation. So x equal to minus 4k plus 1 by k plus 1. K value how much? 1. We will apply minus 4 into 1 plus 1 by k means 1 plus 1. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 2. So x is equal to minus 4 plus 1 means minus 3 by 2. So what are the coordinates? This coordinates what is there? Minus 3 by 2 0. So here what are the coordinates are there? Minus 3 by 2, 0. So this is the coordinates row. So final answer you write. Therefore the coordinates are which coordinates are minus 3 by 2, 0. So ratio is 1:1. This is first answer. This is the coordinates of minus 3 by 2, 0.